Okay, it is a very exciting day. I have 2 boxes from Joggles, and that means I ordered stuff on the internet. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten anything fun and new. And this box, I know, has Tim Holtz. Hold on. Boop. Let's move this over here for a minute. This has Tim Holtz embossing glazes, which I love these. If you follow me much, you know I am an embossing nut. Oh, one of the nice things about Joggles is they always put this super pretty tissue paper around. I can recycle that. But super pretty tissue paper around. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to save that for like a Valentine. I'm doing a Valentine's Day journal this year, so that could be good there. This is kind of crinkly for me, so I'm gonna trash that, but the other one's really fun. Okay, so this was 12 new colors, and it was $60 with shipping. Joggles has a thing where if you spend over a certain amount, they take off for shipping. So the reason I got these, well, that's a lie. The reason I got these is because I wanted them. But I thought these would be good colors for Halloween. I have a whole little box of is that purple? Is that aged mahogany? Yep. And this is chipped sapphire. This is a really dark blue. And then this should be a really pretty acid green to use. So that's how I justified it in my head. So see, I'm making a junk journal kit that you can buy separate and also a class. And so, yeah, I'll be doing some embossing in that. But here's another thing that happened that was like a wah-wah, like perfect timing, Tim Holtz. Tim Holtz let out his Halloween ephemera and stuff early. So I ordered this from Joggles too. Joggles has great prices, and they usually have a really good selection. Very occasionally, they won't get in what all I want, but this year they got everything I wanted. I'll show you all my stuff. Oh, and my flip book. More recycling. Okay. All right, so I'll start with the flip book. So I keep my ephemera. I just needed one more. I keep my ephemera in this flip book. And so I have all the stuff for the Halloween junk journal, but I wanted some ephemera and stuff. So I ordered this from Tim Holtz. So these are metal pieces. To get little tiny metal pieces like this. And these are little baby spiders. How cute are those? But those are going to be for a different project, not for my junk journal. And then this, I don't know why everything's in a little bag. How interesting. I don't know why there are so many bags. Hang on. Oh, wow. This is heavy. Oh, gosh. This might have to be a little journal. I love these. So, hold on. I am not an expert in everything, but I am an expert in Tim Holtz ephemera. So, this is 56 pieces. So, there's going to be doors in here, windows in here. There's words that we can use. And then on the back, you can see. So, there's 2 doors, 3, 4, 5. Oh, more doors, windows, and then bats. Oh my goodness. Is this all together? This is kind of exciting. That's why this was in a bag, because this is a huge amount of stuff, and I bet you it tries to break out of its casing. But in here, there should be these guys. Look at this. Cracked windows. And then a whole bunch of little bats. But these are little pre-made cracked window so you don't have to use the acetate. That is amazing. Those guys are wicked cool. Now, let's see what this, okay, so oh, here's another metal thing. There's a gate with a little lock. I always buy these gates because they go out of style soon. Oh, here's some just plain broken windows, which I thought were really cool. I'll be putting those into the snap. Okay. Oh, this is a free journal from Joggles. How cool is that? They're always putting something neat in there. And I'll put links to everything down below. Okay, so these are primarily what I'm going to be using in this journal. Now, I don't need the what does he call them? Paper dolls. I don't need the little people for this so much. But let's go ahead and pull this out. I love me some people, but look at these. I just love Tim Holtz ephemera. Okay, so how cool will that be for a flip out page, and then we'll put something there, or to make a little book. Those are nice. All right. This is like creepy roses, creepy little kids. Oh, it's all kind of mixed up in there. A moon, a creepy lady, some bats. Ooh, who's this? A creepy dude. That's fun. Okay, so those are fun. Oh gosh, there's a whole bunch more that I missed. Hang on, hang on. And I'm going to take these out and put them in a flip book. In loving remembrance. Some creepy pictures. Alfred Hitchcock. How fun are these? Oh, look, that's like a, oh my goodness. That's like a cigar box. It's a little bit heavier. It almost feels like a cigar box. But those are amazing. And then what I do is I get them out of these containers and I put them into the flip book. So then I actually can see them and use them. All right, let's see what's in this year's sticker book. I like a sticker book. Okay, all kinds of cool sayings, which we'll probably use. So we got a couple pages of sayings, and then some people, some bats. Oh, those are fun. Hold on, wait till we get to those. Oh, some more people, some ravens, poison stickers. I always love. Look, you can put all the little Halloween hats, and those go right on those. They go on the paper dolls. See? So lots of words. That's really good. And then this is the ephemera pack, and this will be going right into this journal. Because these are all like Halloween themed. I tend to use them all year round because I'm kind of dark and creepy anyways. But these are all Halloween themed ephemera. Let's see, we'll get the big ones. Herborium. Just old and dirty looking. That's what I love about Tim Holtz's stuff, is it comes already looking dirty, and I don't have to do as much. 31 the numbers. And then some really cool old bits. One of the things I love about his ephemera is they have little books in there, like red tags to go together, a little purple butterfly, a whole bunch of little bats. It's just, it makes it so much easier to have like already a theme. And then literally what I do is I kind of separate it into bigger pieces. I love that skillet amusement. So I separate it into kind of bigger. These would be the mediums. These would be the big pieces. And then the little pieces. And then I can just, and I'll show you. I have them actually you don't have to watch me separate things. This is how I do it. So I have stuff like this, and then I'll have a whole bunch of these where I can just go in and pull out and put beside the handfuls of stuff. So these are going to be medium-sized ones. This is from another year of, there's all the little books. I just pulled those out and put them in one little area. I have a whole video about this. I'll put that below, but mediums. And then pictures. Oh, here's some ephemera. And medium-sized ones. But this is just a really handy way to keep them all in one place and not looking like this. So hopefully you enjoyed my little retail therapy experiment. And I am Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.